Anything up out there today? Purpose. Not too bothered about photos. How much further on there?
Off on my birthday
Secret
activity. I have no idea what we're doing, do I, Mark?
No.
No idea.
Yeah, we figured it out on our own.
Oh, that's real good. Oh, that's real good.
Just hold here. I'm assuming this is what it means.
Yeah, use the boom as well.
Ah,
To get the light.
Yeah, one up, balance, balance. Good luck with keep spinning. Slowly. Up. Good. good. Every balance, 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 balance. Keep center, keep center. Up, spin. Don't stop. Stop, balance. Now okay, okay. You said. Yes, just cool down, cool down. Gentle. Up, spin, gentle. Okay. Cool down, cool down. And keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Too hard. One time together. Like airplane. Arch, trace, go. One time.
Sometimes.
Don't push, don't push. Just touch. Too hard. Feeling? Yes. Yeah, one spoon. Yes, yes. Keep balance, keep balance. Up. Upwards. Touch. Spinning. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, good, good, good. Okay. Same line. Squeeze. Squeeze. Gentle, gentle. Yes, yes, yes. Top sides. Okay. Next, make slow. Touch, touch, move, tilt. Slowly. Gentle touch, touch. Slowly, tilt, tilt, tilt. Yes. Too much, too much. More gentle, slowly, slowly. Too hot.
is. This is what it should look like. Wait until you see. Oh, I don't want to look at this. My boxes. I don't know who this is.
Imagine if they sent us someone else's, that would be really good.
That would be great. This one might be mine. This came out really good and I just don't know it. Look at the state of it. It's not even Fuji shaped. I said to him multiple times, it's not even.
I don't think you can blame him. I think that's a you thing.
I don't think it's anything because yours was horrible and he fixed yours.
Yeah.
Look, it's one side straight and one side slanted.
Well, Fuji's not perfect.
But it's meant to look like that. The perfect shape. Why did he bother? I'm genuinely not bothering carrying this around.
Please.
It's so much effort to carry. Okay, yours is a weird shape as well. The colours are all over the place.
Mine's all twisted. And it's got a big gap down the middle of nothing on it.
Yeah, that's got a bald spot. How did this happen?
And you said yours was bad, mine's just as
Yours
bad.
is better.
Are you talking? Right, you'll have to let us know which one do you like better.
Yours so much better than mine. I don't think you could be arsed with mine. I really don't think you could be bothered. Look at the difference. Mine's short and fat. That's what yours looked like at one point when you fixed it. This is what it was meant to look like.
God, our life is just full of Insta versus reality moments.